You gotta check this out. There's a couple of pretty badass runs that they do around here, but what we're about to hit is this little guy right here. Over by Coeur d'Alene. Up north here. There's some cool ones though. And what's fun is they're not really marked on the GPS, so you don't really find them unless you know where to look, you know. You're gonna want to see this, but because the GPS never tells you to go here because it doesn't make any sense. There would be no good reason to do it, but hell, we're gonna do it anyways because it's fun. So you got this beautiful, let's see, 1 p.m. perfect. It's not too long, but you do want to see it during the day just so you can kind of see the sights. But yeah, if you took this job and you went to your GPS and the map, it would tell you, why don't you just go ahead and go around? Yeah, I'll take the highway, blah, blah, blah. But what fun is that? Starting to elevate now. Up into the mountains we go with our frozen veggies. Yeah, the road's just, you feel it in the wheel. It is not good. Oh boy. Starting to get deep in here now. Oh. There's a lovely little cook shack. Oh shit. Damn, look at that. With the lake right there. Yeah. Oh. Look at the incline, we're just driving. Just getting ready to tip, roll down the cliff, you know. It's like that pile of logs right there. Better put a little power behind her. Oh. Let's see, we weigh only 30,000 pounds. Oh, good thing it's holding up. Oh. Damn. Still climbing. Yeah, I don't think you're supposed to bring it. I don't think this road was built for a truck and a trailer. Not this big. Oh, old mine. Yeah. A little old abandoned mining town. Excuse me. Let's see. Oh, we're getting over it now. Maybe that was the foreman's house. See, that was the bridge we just came across. The little town back there. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. I'm taking it slow because I like the view, but also I don't really want to die. Just caught in the cliff like that. Oh, don't fall down here. Fog's coming in. River looks cold. Water looks chilly. No shit. Beautiful. My buddy, excuse me, Verbo Sose, he ran this with me, and I think he had either a triple or a quad reefer trailers. So 4 of these on the back. 3 or 4. Hey Shane, what up, bro? How you doing, man? Happy Saturday to you, brother. We did it. We made it. We're live. Whoops.